Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on importing WooCommerce orders using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process, from preparing your import file to mapping the data fields and running the import. Let's get started. Before importing WooCommerce orders, you need to prepare your import file. This file should contain essential order details such as order ID, customer note, order status, order date, payment details, billing information, and shipping details. Make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly and includes all necessary fields to ensure a smooth import process. Ensure that the products associated with these orders are already available in your WooCommerce store. If the ordered products don't exist, the imported orders might not display correctly or function as expected. Right now, we have no orders on our site. So, let's try importing WooCommerce orders and see how it works. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Click on the Import/Update tab. Now, choose how you want to upload your file. Select Upload from Desktop to upload from your computer. Select Upload from FTP/SFTP to upload from FTP/SFTP client. Choose Upload from URL if your file is hosted online, like Google Sheets or Dropbox. Since I have the CSV file on my desktop, I will select Upload from Desktop to add it. Once the file is uploaded, choose Fresh Import and select WooCommerce orders as the import type. Click Continue to proceed. Now, you need to map the columns from your CSV file to the appropriate WooCommerce fields. The plugin automatically maps fields if the column headers in your CSV file match WordPress fields. If not, you can manually map them using the drop-down menu in advanced mode. Alternatively, you can use the drag and drop mode to visually match the CSV columns with WooCommerce fields. Here, you will find the filtering options. These allow you to narrow down your import based on specific conditions. You can do this by selecting an element, setting a rule, and entering a value. For example, if you want to import only the orders that have been completed, you can set the element to order status, the rule to equals, and the value to completed. This way, only those specific records will be imported. But in this case, I want to import all the orders, so I won't be applying any filters for now. You can also save your mapping template for future imports. Once mapping is complete, click Continue to proceed. Before running the import, configure the necessary settings. Enable the rollback option to restore your site to its previous state in case of errors. Activate maintenance mode to prevent website disruptions during the import. Prevent importing duplicate records by enabling the Skip Duplicate Records option. If you have bulk records, you can configure the iteration-based import processing to import orders in small batches. But I am skipping this for now. You can also schedule this import by enabling the "Do you want to schedule this import?" option. Once you have configured these settings, proceed to the final step. Click Import to begin the import process. The plugin will start processing your file and importing the WooCommerce orders into your store. Once the import is complete, you will receive a notification with a summary log and a failed media log if any issues occurred. To verify the imported orders, navigate to the WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce, and click on Orders. Here, you can view all the newly imported orders. And that's how easy it is to import WooCommerce orders. WP Ultimate CSV Importer simplifies bulk order management, saving you time and effort. With its powerful mapping and automation features, handling large datasets becomes seamless and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.